My name is Ashley. I'm here to show you how to use Mack's foam earplugs. These earplugs are very effective and easy to use. To start, make sure your hands are clean. Then with your thumb and forefinger, roll the foam into a cylinder shape. While holding the earplug in one hand, use your opposite hand to reach over your head to pull up and back on your outer ear to straighten the ear canal. Quickly insert the earplug well into the ear canal and hold in place for a comfortable, secure fit. There you have it. Thanks for using Mack's soft foam earplugs, and thanks for watching.